All right, welcome back, and it is time now for our community update this morning. And joining us today is Manitowoc Police Chief Nick Reimer, who brought along the department's newest team member, Deputy Chief Jason Freeboth, and the station's new facility dog, Molly. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having us. Yeah.
She is so cute. First off, Chief, explain what is a facility dog and what type of dog is she?
Well, she's a Bernedoodle, so she's part poodle, Bernese Mountain Dog, and she actually has a little bit of golden retriever in her as well. A facility dog, basically, her responsibility is to hang around the police department and provide mental well-being for the employees and actually some citizens occasionally, really in the form of just stress relief and comfort and just that unconditional love that a dog has.
And so why did you decide your department needed one?
Well, we needed one because I think a lot of law enforcement agencies should probably look into doing this, actually. We have a lot of jobs out there that are very stressful. We deal with people in crisis. And really, it's important to have some sort of a stress relief for those officers. We do have EAP. We have things like our chaplain program, our peer support. But when you look at this canine facility dog program, it's really a little bit more informal and relaxed. And if people are reluctant to go to those other programs, it's real easy for them to just come in and pet the dog. And we really don't know if they're just petting the dog because they want to that day or if they actually need to. So I think that's kind of nice for them if they're reluctant to go to those other programs.
Now, Deputy Chief, you are Molly's handler. What are her primary duties and what have you used her for so far?
Okay. So far she's had a pretty light workload, but we're just working on basic puppy obedience right now, getting her used to people, teaching her to walk on a leash, simple commands like sit, down. So we're really just getting her used to being around people, not having her jump up on them, getting too excited. So we want it to be a good impression on all our employees so they feel comfortable with Molly around in the department. And then in her first year, we're looking at getting her certified as a canine good citizen. So basically she'll learn 10 basic skills that will teach her good manners both inside the house and out in public.
I know you had mentioned that her primary function is wellness. So what are some of the statistics that surround officer wellness and why her job is so important?
Sure. When I looked into the project, it was kind of shocking, some of the statistics out there. There was a study done in New York that after a 20-25 year career, first responders are exposed up to 188 critical incidents that could lead to negative health issues. Some of the other stats, officers are 3 times more likely to die by suicide than in the line of duty. And police officers are 5 times more likely to experience PTSD and depression compared to their civilian counterparts.
So, Chief, after she is a year old, what will her duties be then?
Well, we're hoping to make her a therapy dog, a certified therapy dog. Well, we have Lydia Meyer coming in to help us get that certification. So basically that would basically look like we're going out into the community, going to schools, going to nursing homes, hospitals, maybe the Boys and Girls Club to actually go spread the wellness over there as well. There's also people in need besides police officers, so we just hope to make it more of a community dog.
And what other kinds of things will she do in the community?
Well, I'm guessing she will just go out there. We've talked about a little bit of having her do some public service announcements, and we talked about leaf pickup and having her have a leaf in her mouth and just maybe use her on social media a little bit, because most people love dogs, and I think you can spread a message and maybe get people's attention by having that cute dog there, but also get your public service announcement out there.
Now, where did the money come from to purchase and train her?
All through donations. First of all, we got her from Wolf River Bernedoodles out of Neenah. They've been extremely generous, extremely easy to work with. And then, like I said, community donations as far as her food, her vet bills, her grooming. And then Lydia Meyer is offering her services free of charge as far as training her and eventually making her a therapy dog.
All right, thank you so much for joining us today, Chief and Deputy Chief, and of course, Molly, we appreciate your time.
Sure, thank you.
How do I follow that segment up? It's 44 in Manitowoc right now, and there's going to be some clouds off the lake again today, so it's mostly cloudy there. Temperatures in the low 50s. Guess what? After the break, I got a full check of your weather right after this.